Hello grade 6. After watching the videos that I have sent to you about how to write a compare and contrast paragraph, now we are going to start practicing and write a compare contrast paragraph. Okay? On your book there is a sample and they have chosen two items which are reading a book and watching a movie. Now they are giving us the comparison between these two items and the contrast. The comparison are the similarities. Let's see the similarities. Both are entertaining. So, reading a book and watching a movie, both are entertaining and both share good story line. Okay? While the contrast, if we want to tell about the difference between reading a book and watching a movie, is when reading, you have to use your imagination to picture what is happening, while watching TV or the movie, the actors will do instead. Okay? You don't have to imagine. Another difference is a book can be taken anywhere you go, while the movie is displayed on the screen at a certain time or place. Okay? Now, please open page 201 on your books, and we are going to read this paragraph and then underline the topic sentence and the concluding sentence, and we have to circle the connecting word. Now I want you to open page 201 on your books and let us read this paragraph and underline the topic sentence and the concluding sentence and circle the connecting words. Although reading a book and watching a movie have some basic similarities, the differences are clear. So the first sentence is the topic sentence. Don't forget to leave a space before the topic sentence at the beginning of the paragraph when you write a sample, as they did here. And in the topic sentence, they mentioned that the reading a book or watching a movie have similarities and differences. And because we mentioned similarities before differences, we are going to start to read the first similarity and to see the explanation. The first thing they have in common is being entertaining. If a person is watching a movie or reading a book, he will enjoy his time and have fun. In addition, is a connecting word in order to continue the other similarity. Both share a good storyline. Most movies or TV shows have writers that make sure the story is interesting for viewers. So, good storylines means that the story is interesting and many people will watch this movie. Similarly, authors do their best to ensure that their books have a plot with good characters and a fascinating ending. However, now we start with the differences. However is used for the differences as you see in the table above. Reading and watching a movie differ in two important details. First, when reading, a person must use his imagination to picture what is happening, whereas one does not have to do that when watching a movie. The actors and actresses do that instead. Another difference is availability. A book can be taken anywhere, and a person can read it at any time. Nevertheless, a movie has to be watched at a certain time and place. In conclusion, now we move to the concluding sentence. Reading and watching TV share entertainment and a storyline, while they differ in imagination and accessibility. In other words, reading can be the best way to spend one's leisure time. Okay, so here from in conclusion till the end is the concluding sentence, and they are explaining it by using a connecting word. In other words, reading can be the best way to spend one's leisure time. Okay? Uh, I want you to read this, please, and then I will send you the assignment to do it as this sample. Stay safe, leisure time. Okay, so here from in conclusion till the end is the concluding sentence, and they are explaining it by using a connecting word. In other words, reading can be the best way to spend one's leisure time. Okay, uh, I want you to read this, please, and then I will send you the assignment to do it as this sample. Stay safe,